BSc Part 3 and respected listener, a very good morning and welcome all of you to today's lecture. Dear students of BSc Part 3, very important instructions and information for BSc Part 3 that I am using here the study material on the blackboard here. I am using here study material for that is of yellow chalk here and Hindi medium students for that is of pink color. Once again listen to me carefully. Student of BSc Part 3, I am writing here the study material for English medium for yellow on the blackboard here, and that is of Hindi medium for that is of pink color chalk here. Now I will deliver today that is of LCO method. Let us proceed today's lecture. The next part and rest part or that is of LCO method here. Dear student of BSc Part 3, once again the equation number 3 in our previous lecture we derived here. First of all, I bring to draw your kind immediate notice on the important postulate and subject we were expressing in the classroom about that is of LCO method. The delivered lecture today is taken from BSc Part 3 Paper 3 Physical Chemistry, chosen from Unit 2nd Molecular Orbital Theory. The titles of today's lecture is that is of calculation of that is of E1 psi1 square C1 E2 psi2 square and that is of C2 here. Now let us proceed here. That is of now in the case of now put down here, come here, that is of in this equation we equation here, and that is of next one equation we put down overall that is of A psi b will be equal to that is of psi a psi b d lambda r in our previous lecture regarding the two that is of overlapping area. Now put down here that is of equation number p q r in that is of o r1 this one equation, and that is of p q r in previous lecture here we have P, Q, R, O we have derived in previous lecture here, and we substitute here in that is of O equation here. O equation here we have mentioned in that is a previous lecture here. E is equal to C1 square H double A plus 2 C1 C2 HAB plus C2 square HAB, C1 square 2 C1 C2 SAB plus C2 square H double HAB SAB by means of various kinds of integral. The necessary fundamental and equation we have derived on the blackboard yesterday lecture here. Now after substituting these we have now in this say that is of next as equation here. Now by apply that is a variation theory of energy for C1 and C2 we have very important expressions for the memory of students here. Since we are using here C1 and C2, these are the maximum coefficient here, and we have to calculate E1 psi1 square C1 and next E2 psi2 square C2. Dear students, the derivation I mean to say that is of LCO treatment for H2 molecule and is very typical but can be solved very easily by applying the various that is of simplest things here. So by next one theorem, next one term we introduce here by applying variation theory of energy. This theory states to us that when two types of the coefficients present in an expression, it must become essential and one factor that is energy suppose is common, then differentiate with different one the important thermodynamic quantity suppose depending upon two important coefficient here say C1 and C2, then differentiate and will be equal to that is of 0. It is known as that is a variation that is of a theorem of energy in which one thermodynamic function is depending upon two mixing coefficient symbolize here C1 and C2. The one can write here. There should not be any kinds of doubt in your mind here. Del C1 is equal to 0 here. On solving here C1 that is of 4 that is of C1 maximum coefficient here. We have two types of the equation here by applying that is of principle of variation of energy of theorem here. Del C1 is equal to 0 set T equation, and del C2 is equal to 0 that is of U equation here. Once again dear students, by the variation theory of energy, that is the differentiate with respect to two quantity del C1 and del C2. First of all, let us solve that is of one mixing coefficient, that is of del Ce1, and on the behalf of the similar process of del E del C1, we will apply directly the next formula, del E upon del C2 is equals to 0. U equation is equals to 0. So firstly, by applying the variation theory of energy methods for equation number 3, try to understand, try to solve. Next here, del E upon del C1, you know the differentiation of mixing coefficient C1. You have to write down directly this equation we have derived in our previous unit 1 elementary quantum mechanics. Here to dear students of BSc part 3, you have to write down 2C1, that is of HAA minus E plus 2C2 HAB minus ESAB, C1 square plus 2C1 C2 SAB plus C2 square, because after substituting the value of the various kinds of integral, resonance integral, Coulomb integral and overlapping integral, finally we reach for the calculation of mixing coefficient here. For this purpose, to solve variation for the calculation of variation of mixing coefficient C1 and C2, we have that is of two types of the equations here. Del E upon del C1 is equal to 0, set T equation. Similarly, del E upon del C2 is equal to 0. U equation here. Now we select that is the one coefficients here, differentiation regarding to that is of del E del C1 is equal to 0. We are having this one quantity 7C, this will be equal to 0. Say that is the next V equation. On solving above equation, we are having C1 HAA minus E plus C2 HAB minus E, say will be equal to that is, this equation will be equal to 0. Say will be equal to 0, say that is of W equation. This one will be equal to 0, this one quantity rest over 2C1, and by taking the common of twice, rest quantity we have on the blackboard here, that is of C1 HAA minus E plus C2 HAB minus E save is equal to 0. Say that is of W equation. Similarly, we have also assumed we have to determine the value of energy with respect to another one mixing coefficient symbolized by that is of C2. Since we have calculated the value of del E upon del C1 by the principle of variation of energy theorem, so you may write down directly here for the calculation of next one equation, del E upon del C2. The similar process can be applicable here, and we are having that is of C1 HAB minus ESAB plus C2 HAB minus A is equal to 0. I am also writing here. Similarly, the same process will be applicable for the calculation of mixing coefficient of next C2. Dear student, we are having two types of the important equation here, W equation and X equation. These equation W and equation X equation are known as that is of secular equations. These are the fundamental equation. Now we are near about of equation number that is of 3. We mentioned in our previous lecture directly here. Listen to me, dear student of BSc part 3. Once again, we are going to derive equation number 3 in our previous lecture regarding to that is of LCO treatment on H2 molecule ion. So we are near about of 95%. We have derived our equation number 3 by applying the various conditions, normalization condition, energy variation theorem condition, and by applying that is of a quantum mechanical important postulate here. Very important equation W and X are known as secure equation here. Next one, the mean of W and X regarding to that is equation number 3. We will deliver it that is of tomorrow. Thank you very much.